This is the Guide to Georgia Outdoors, coming to you from location here in Cobbtown, Georgia. Absolutely perfect day. This weather is amazing. I've killed many squirrels in my day, but I've never hunted them with dogs. It's hard to believe that at this point in my life I've never hunted them with dogs, but this is exciting. I'm looking forward to what this day holds, and hopefully we'll kill a few. In 2020, I'm really trying hard to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you would, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. I was off taking a phone call and I hear them shooting a little bit. I'm not sure if they hit, but let's see what they had. They fired twice. Depends on who was shooting. If it was Drew, about a 50-50 chance he hit. If it was Trey, I would give him the kill. And if it was Uncle Tony, he's probably just firing a shot for the sake of firing one because he probably didn't know what he was looking at. So let's check it out. There we go. One squirrel already. The action happened so fast I wasn't even able to get my camera turned on. My shooters were having a little miscommunication between the shooters and the camera, but we got our second squirrel. He was up there tight, right in front of us in these vines. Didn't even know he was there, but that's the second squirrel of the day. That squirrel was right there.
Right in them vines.
Right in them vines. He was waiting for us. It's hollering.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all the way up in
If that squirrel came out of there, I would literally hockey in my pants.
Yeah.
We got a hollow tree. If a squirrel goes into a tree like that, you're about wasting your time. That's just part of hunting. You can't kill them all. Hollow tree, that squirrel's probably hid in there. But we've got two so far, so let's go for another one.
We're hearing Jack. I feel like he's on something. If I had to guess, he's probably got another squirrel in a tree, probably in another nest. Seems like when we go there, they're in a nest or in a hollowed out tree, so they're definitely smart, but let's see what we got. It's on the other side, hang there. Get him.
Where's he at, Drew?
Right there.
Here's Drew.
Yeah.
There he is.
I can't get him. There we go,
there
baby.
Go.
He hanging on, do it now.
And
Woo!
Good, Jack. No. Go, yes.
there we go.
Jack.
Yes, no.
And Drew doubted Jack. Drew doubted the dog. He said, probably a nest.
No, he didn't.
Probably in another nest.
No, he doubted. Little
Jack.
Jack.
Probably in another nest.
Jack ain't made it.
If y'all don't remember Uncle Tony, this is the same Uncle Tony from the frog gigging video.
How about it, Bubba?
He ain't even seen a squirrel today. We've killed 3 and he ain't even seen one. So we bring him along mostly because they're his dogs. So
Looking hollow tree. And how you find this thing.
right here. There he comes. Coming down, boy. Somebody shoot him.
I can't see him from here now.
Somebody, right here, Trey.
There he goes, right big limb. I see him. He's on the big limb.
They all look the same size to me.
He said the big limb with the broken limb. How are we supposed to? I just asked Uncle Tony where it's at. He said the big limb with the broken limb. That's every limb up there.
Drew, pull that vine right there. That vine runs about where he was at, right?
Yeah, that vine Trey was pulling.
I took his head, boy.
That's right where he was at.
Yeah,
Right there, Trey. Right there. That tree. Uncle Tony right in front of you.
here? Shoot him right there. He's with everybody else.
Oh, I just make sure you saw
How'd he
it.
get over there?
He's jumping. He's coming across. Where's he at?
Right here on this tree right here.
I can't shoot him flat. I can't even see him. Y'all shoot him.
No, we can't see it. He went in that hole right there.
Okay.
Well, that squirrel got away from us. He ran from one tree right in between two shooters, and we made the reasonable decision not to fire at it, just too dangerous. Yeah, he's here. I hear Trey. At the very top, I see him.
That's what I thought it was.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell. Right on him.
Okay, I got him here. Get ready, boys.
There he is.
There he is.
I got him shooting through limbs. See, I broke limbs up.
Can't even see him.
I'm shooting limbs. You moved him, Jack.
Drew shooting.
That is where he is.
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, but that ain't a squirrel.
Yeah, it is.
It's a coon.
That ain't no squirrel be running.
That's a coon, ain't it?
No, that's a squirrel.
That's him. That's him, baby.
Here it comes.
There he is.
Get him, Drew. Get him.
Golly.
Do your pop.
He done down in the vine. Where'd he
Drew, load up. There we go. I think you missed him.
Oh, don't shoot me on the ground. Dog's got him. Dog's got him.
Got him, baby.
There we go.
That was a lot, but we got it.
Poor dang squirrel.
$25 shell, man.
Well, look at that right there. That is not usually a good sign. All them shots, and I'm not even sure you're the one who finished him off.
I didn't.
Oh, man.
Here goes some.
Look at that. That's good.
He got him when we see him. Hang on. Drew, right over here. Drew, can you get a shot? There he is, Drew. Drew. Right here, Drew, right here. Come here. Come to me, Drew. There we go. There we go.
Good boy.
In that time period after deer season, after duck season, before turkey season comes in, this is the perfect thing to do. I mean, this is fun. It may not ever take the place of deer hunting in my life, but this is something fun to do.
Yo.
Here.
Well, that's it for this episode of squirrel hunting. It wasn't a record book day by no means, but we killed 5 squirrels, which in my book is a pretty good day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video. Until the next episode, this has been the unofficial and no doubt incomplete guide to Georgia Outdoors.